Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you want to connect your MetaQuest 3 or Quest 3s to your PC and transfer files, the process is actually pretty simple. First, connect your MetaQuest to your PC using a USB Type-C cable. As soon as you connect the headset, you should see a notification on your Quest screen asking you to allow USB access or USB debugging. Just click allow. If you don't see this notification, don't worry. Open the universal menu on your Quest and go to notifications. At the top, you should see the USB connection notification. Just click on it. Once you've allowed the connection, your MetaQuest should now be connected to your PC. To make sure everything is working, go to this PC on your computer. Here you should see your MetaQuest device listed. Click on it and then open the device. You'll be able to access the files and folders stored on your Quest. From here, you can easily transfer files between your PC and your MetaQuest 3 or Quest 3s, whether you want to copy something to the headset or take files from the headset to your computer. And that's it. Your MetaQuest is now connected to your PC and ready for file transfer.